Here's a quick tour of the Vintage Coach Avenue bag, style number 9886. This bag was made sometime in the early 90s in the US, and as you can see, it's in the color black. So this bag has an adjustable shoulder strap, and it comes with the matching hang tag. It also comes with a convenient top handle. I love top handle bags. Personally, I tend to use them more because I think it's pretty convenient to have a top handle when you want to take the bag on and off, or if you just want to carry it without wearing it. It's really convenient to have a top handle, so I definitely recommend bags with top handles. Anyway, it also comes with a spring lock closure, so you would just pull this lever right here on the spring lock closure to open it, and then to close it you would do the same. You just pull up on this top piece and then insert the bottom piece inside. So pretty easy to do. So obviously that's the front of the bag. Here's what the sides look like. Here's the back. And what's nice about the Avenue bag is it does have a pretty deep slip pocket on the back, so might be a convenient place to maybe store a phone or objects that you want to be able to grab quickly. And then I'll show you, here's the bottom of the bag. It's got a little split seam down the bottom of the bag, and then here's the top again with that top handle. And then when we open the bag, it's got another slip pocket under the front flap right here, and then here's the main interior of the bag, and it's got a hanging zip pocket right here. It's got a zip closure, and the Creed, of course, is stamped on that pocket. I'll insert a photo too so you can see the Creed a little bit more easily. So that's the interior, and it's got, like I mentioned, this slip pocket under the front flap, this interior zip pocket, and then the back pocket. So 3 pockets, which is pretty nice to have in a bag, I would say. So that is the beautiful Avenue bag, and this bag is available now in our online store, so I will leave the link below if you wanted to check her out. I believe we also still have an Avenue bag in green, so I'll leave that one below as well. I'll leave a link to that one if you wanted to check out the Avenue bag in both colors. Also, I'll leave links below to our social media in case you want to follow us to stay up to date with new bags as we post them, and as well as a link to our email list if you want to stay updated that way as well. But otherwise, thanks for watching and take care.